Hey friends, Dr. Hans here. You all have been asking me a series of questions, so I wanted to record these videos to be able to answer them. So another popular question that I get is, Dr. Hans, how do I start investing and how much do I need to start? So first and foremost, if you're wondering where can you go to buy stocks, the simple answer is Cash App. It's interesting. Many people don't realize when there's a pot of gold in front of them. You might be listening to this and you might have Cash App on your phone, but you never bothered to realize that that app allows you to be able to invest in companies that you might be using, companies that you know are great investments. If you're wondering, how do I invest or where do I go to invest? Cash App is how to do it. The next question that I typically get is, how much should I invest? Friends, when it comes to investing, the rule of thumb is you should be comfortable investing at least 10% of your income, right? So if you're earning $5,000 each month, you should be comfortable investing about $500 a month, okay? Now, looking at what's going on right now, with the market having pulled back about 30%, if you have money sitting on the sidelines, this is the time. Friends, I'm not saying go take money out of your emergency fund. No, but if you just have a ton of money sitting in a savings account, collecting dust, this is the time to put that money to work. Or if you're expecting a tax refund, this is the time to split that money into two, put half of it to work. Now, if you're wondering, how do I analyze a stock? How do I analyze an investment? You can click the link in my bio and you'll be able to learn how to go about doing that.